Guys, good morning. I'm waking y'all up this morning. Yes, I am. Get up and get moving and do something good for yourself, okay? As you can see, I'm very, very sweaty. If you can't see, woo, woo, I'm gonna bring y'all in. Y'all see all the sweat? Y'all see that sweat? That is the sweat of a person that does 4 miles almost every single day, okay? Almost every single day. On the good days, 4 miles. On the not so good days, 2 miles, but she gets it done. So go out and get them. Ain't no, just go out and do it. Look, what they say. Can y'all see that? Just do it. Just do it. All right, I'll see you guys later. Enjoy your July the 18th on a Sunday. Okay, it's a beautiful day. So I'm finally back home and I gotta get some stuff together. So I told you all yesterday that I bought the new glasses right here. They're so pretty. So pretty. They're pretty and grown. So I'm gonna be, I found some things that I'm gonna get out of here. Only because I know you're gonna be like, oh my God, those are so nice. But guys, these bowls here, they are by the Seller or something like that. Yeah, the Seller. They're by this brand here. They're really nice bowls, but guys, look, they're peeling and chipping. So basically what it is that there is some coating. There is some coating on here. I have one in the sink that I was cleaning out. Yeah, anytime your wood items start peeling, you can go ahead and you can toss it. I mean, you can sand it, but by the time I try to go in there and do all that, it just don't make no sense. But I know I can find a different type of, is what I'm saying, of bowl. Because I really want something that's more of a, let me show you guys so you'll understand what I'm saying. Because matter of fact, you know what? I ate some cereal and that's when I noticed it. So if you could see, like right here, you see that? That's where it's, the coating is over there. And if I would have known these had coating on them, I wouldn't have bought them. Because most of the time I won't buy wood stuff with coating on it. So I'm looking for something just like this, but more like oblong, like this print type. And this is not coated, this is natural wood. So that's why I'm gonna get rid of these. And I'm gonna get rid of these two. I think I'm gonna give these to my son because I think this is more like beer stuff. So these are gonna be going out as well as these. So I'm gonna have to find me a bag, put that stuff in, and then, yeah, so I'll come back. I just wanted to show you guys what I'm gonna be letting go is these and these. And I will be putting these up. So hang around, it's gonna be a good vlog. I'll see you guys in a little while. Quick update on the bathroom. So I don't know if you guys remember the bathroom, how it looked before. There was a board up here from the owners before, I don't understand. Well, yes, I do. I guess if you have, some people are scared. They have people in their or they probably wear, you know, some people are just scared like that. They don't want people looking in their bathroom windows. But this window has, if you can see it behind me, it has that stuff on it where a person can't see you. They probably can see your physique or whatever. But guys, if you're a grown person and you looking in people's windows because you ain't never, all you gotta do is watch TV, YouTube, watch these clowns. People are half naked out in the streets. So if you ain't ever seen a naked person as a grown person, something really wrong with you. But anyway, I'm just saying, we got, Mark had took that board off anyway. So this got like resurfaced and everything. And now we have a window. I'm glad because I want to be able to hang a plant up here. I like the light in here. So this got replaced. The tub got, what do you call it? When you resurface it or something? Yeah, these got taken care of. So to change the colors. The wall got done. If you remember, it had like there was a handle thing here where you put your towels and stuff. So yes, a clean look. So the only thing now is to let this finish drying some more, and then hopefully this can get a new look pretty soon. So update on that, and then I'll show you guys an update on the what is it? Update on the yeah, I'm so sorry. Update on the base that's trimming around the mold or whatever. So hopefully you guys can see that. You see where it's right here, I got to go over it some more because I didn't get to, this is the window, the color of the window. It's a beigey color of the vinyl windows, but I have to go over this some more. But so far, it's looking so much brighter. So yeah, you see it now? Y'all see it now? Yeah, so I'll see you guys in a little while. Hey guys, I'm back. So y'all are up close and personal right now, okay? I don't have y'all far back. I have y'all so y'all can see all the glowing skin. This is from eating. Oh, y'all, excuse me. Sorry, y'all. Y'all, if y'all only knew why I was just jumping. Okay, let's get back to the video. So I'm gonna show you guys outfit of the day, and why outfit of the day just made me feel like something was crawling on my skin. But anyway, this is from fruits and vegetables, and trying to work out on these. But anyway, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna put on today. Today we're gonna wear, y'all know what? We're gonna wear Egyptian musk and Izzy Miyake. Smells so good. I'm gonna put on a little bit of that. I don't have a lot of plans today, but I am gonna get out of here and do something. Let's put some behind the knees. Behind the knees, y'all always put some behind your knees, okay, ladies? Some people don't know that, some people do. And then I'm gonna spray down with my translucent one. Let's rub this in a little bit though. But anyway, guys, the reason for outfit of the day for me, I'm just going to explain. The reason that I do outfit of the day, some people do it is a show off thing. I don't do nothing that I do is for a show off thing. My channel is simple and I live by what I'm saying. So my thing is I try to show you guys affordable clothing from the bins and from thrifted places. You can look just as nice as somebody who spent thousands of dollars. I'm not doing that. Y'all see I got on my fedora. Honey, I only probably pay $1 for this hat. I am not doing that. I'm sorry. When do they do that? I'm not doing it. They can do it all they want to, but she ain't doing it, okay? You got that? She ain't doing it, okay? But anyway, this is outfit of the day. I got on my black long, the flowing shirt, and I have on the shorts, y'all. These are the shorts, remember? That I just got for $1, and then I have on my new shoes. Did y'all see outfit of the day? Here's the shoes. Loving it, loving it, loving it. So, yeah, this is outfit of the day. I probably cost what? $1, $2, $3, $8? $8 holla. She's an $8 holla. How about that? Okay. But anyway, guys, just wanted to show you outfit today and what I was putting on today. I have to wrap baby stuff. Let me show y'all real quick. Oh, I can't show y'all because somebody watches the channel and they're gonna see. So no, I can't wrap baby stuff with y'all on here. I'll just bring y'all along next weekend so y'all can see baby stuff. So let me see what else. I think that's it. I showed you guys the bathroom updates. I showed you guys where I placed everything that I just hauled. I showed you the things that I'm getting out of here. I'm going to go and go in the dining room area. I'm going to go ahead and try to knock some of this paint out for the day so it can be over with. Okay, I'll see you guys. Just hold on. We ain't going nowhere. Just hold on to the other clip of the video. Okay. I'm telling.
It's only Mario. Allah beat me up. It's only Mario. Allah beating me up. Yeah, I hear you.
Y'all better stop. Stop doing him like that.
You gonna call your mom.
Stop. You better not, because I was playing with my plants and messed it up. What? We about to get ready to go.
What? are you even going fast?
He said he just tired of
It
shoes.
was going fast if you was paying
You
attention.
heard what he said? What? He said, tie my shoe. Who are you talking to? Who tie your shoe? You let him tie it. Tie your shoe up.
Hey, nope.
Tie his shoe. It's not picking up. Tie his shoe up. Oh my God. Tie his shoe up, please. Y'all like that? That is really nice. Let me open up the inside.
That's not even a space.
I got me a new whip, y'all.
You want to say 2 squad in?
I got a new car.
3, 2, 1.
I'm just kidding. I ain't got no new car. Y'all see the mist?
All this is connected to each other. Big street.
Right.
All this you know, this connected to
Hey, stop. Woo! Woo-wee! Huh? Yeah. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. We're going to go to the picnic table, okay?
boom, boom.